It's okay, do your game.
Show Mommy, where's the elephant? Find the elephant. Did you find him?
No.
No. What's that? Turtle. Good job. Where's the turtle? Where's the elephant? That's not the elephant. What's that? Is that the bunny?
No.
There's a bunny rabbit. Where's he go? Okay, where's the elephant?
No.
That's not the elephant. That's the crocodile. Where's he go? Where's the crocodile go?
Put the crocodile where it goes.
You said, Michael, put the crocodile where it goes. Hey, buddy. You touching the apple?
Put the crocodile where it goes.
Show Auntie where's the